So usually we take a look at newer projects because they offer a higher margin of profit. It's a simple high risk, high reward situation, which a lot of people prefer. But what I have for you guys in this video is not a new project, not a new ecosystem, and definitely not a new token. This is a very well developed ecosystem, a centralized exchange, and their native token. But apart from being mainstream, and CNBC stated this to be one of the top 200 fintech companies, but other than being mainstream and so popular, it is offering exponential growth, and I think it is going to grow even further from here, taking a look at what's coming next. And I thought it'll be best if I share it with you guys. The exchange that we are talking about in this video, that is Bitmart. I know that you already know about this exchange, and I think you already know about the native currency, the BMX token. When I compared the prices of the native currencies of most popular exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, OKX, and so forth, I noticed a major difference. And you can actually take a look at the difference yourself. We have a list of all these cryptocurrencies of the exchanges, and you can see that the BMX has experienced a change of positive 477%, which is nowhere near to what any of other native currencies of exchanges have done. The closest that we have is of the BitGet at 182, but the rest of it, they're 150, 107, 69, 42, 23%, 8.26%. That is their yearly performance. But compared to those, 477%, that is absolutely huge. And this token recently, in the last 24 hours, experienced a almost 25% gain. If we take a look at the coin market cap, which I have right here, you can see the change that it experienced here on 17th of September. It went from almost $0.28 to about $0.3766. So it is beyond any doubt that this exchange, this native token, BMX token, it has been outperforming. It has outperformed all the other native tokens of major centralized exchanges. But what's interesting here is what's coming next, because I think that'll be much huge, and it will have a far bigger effect on the price of the BMX token than what we have currently experienced in this year. And that is what we're going to talk about in this video. So make sure that you watch till the end. As always, it's not going to be an investment or a financial advice, so always do your own investigation and research. Now, as I said before, we already know that the BMX token is the native token of Bitmart. Now, Bitmart is one of the leading exchanges and offers more than 1,000 plus cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BMX, and it offers more than 1,100 plus trading pairs. It offers more than 150 trading pairs in the futures market, and it also includes 80 plus USDT margin perpetual swaps. It has millions of users from 180 countries with the highest daily trading volume of about 4 billion US dollars. So that's absolutely huge. We have a lot of holders for the BMX token. If you simply compare the earn section of all these exchanges, which they all do, they have different financial products to offer, different savings packages in a sense, from fixed to flexible and promotions, so forth, which I compared the interest rates that are offered on the earn section of Bitmart and through the BMX to all the other exchanges, and you can actually take a look at the chart yourself that is right here, and you will notice a major difference here. So Binance offers a 0.2% interest rate for BNB, and Bitmart provides a substantially higher 2% interest rate for BMX, which is obviously a significant difference, which makes BMX a more attractive investment option for users who are seeking higher returns on their crypto holdings. Now, when we compare it to other exchanges like OKX and Bybit and BitGet, the Bitmart's BMX interest rate, it remains very, very competitive. We have OKX offering a 1% interest rates for OKB, while Bybit and BitGet, they offer slightly lower rates for the native tokens. Now, this disparity obviously it highlights Bitmart's commitment to providing a more rewarding experience for its users, particularly those who choose to invest in its native token. Now, even though recently we have seen a significant drop in the prices and overall market of stable coins and also Bitcoin ETF, but despite this, we have these native currencies of exchanges still performing good, which include BMX, PGB, MX, and GT. The BMX, it says, it exhibited impressive performance with a price increase of almost 24%, which is attributed to a series of strategic initiatives that were launched by Bitmart in the second quarter, which include them listing BMX on their P2P market with limited time zero free event. Moreover, they also have a buyback and burn mechanism through which 25% of the platform's fees is used to buy back the BMX token and then burn it. And this will continue to happen until they reduce the BMX total supply to 500 million tokens. They have also listed BMX exchange on KuCoin for further exposure. Now we know that these tokens are only as strong as their utility and use cases. That means if the token is getting utilized in a lot of places, it has a higher demand, which will equal to more value. And BMX has a lot of utilities, a lot of use cases, which are going to be further enhanced in the next quarter, what we have coming next. But first of all, let's talk about the utilities that we already have for BMX. So BMX is used, like if you're holding BMX, you get discounts, you get a higher account level, and obviously you get discounts in the exchange. If you pay the transaction fees with BMX, you get a 25% discount on the fees. If you take BMX, you enjoy a higher profit sharing ratio for copy trading. Now, on the Bitmart's launchpad, BMX can be used for subscribing and also participating in projects. Also, if you stake BMX, you can get access to free airdrops of the newly listed coins. We also have a VIP membership program for API users, and holding BMX is one of the criteria for leveling up. Now, you can use BMX to take part in the governance in Bitmart. You have this vote to earn NFTs that can only be purchased using BMX, and holders are the only one that are eligible to vote. And also, if you stake BMX to participate in the vote to earn listings, you get offered additional votes. You can also participate in financial products by staking BMX, and BMX is used as payment token for some projects in the BMX ecosystem. Now, these are the utilities that we have right now, and the next utilities that we have coming next are going to be much huge than what this is, and I'll show you guys what that is going to be in a bit. So right now, Bitmart is a centralized exchange, which we are well aware of, and BMX is their native token, which is used to get discounts on trading fees and all the, all the benefits that I mentioned previously. So that is something that we already know. That is the BMX V1. Then we have the BMX V2.0. This one is going to include their own Web3 wallet. Right now, it is a Web2 centralized exchange, but now they're going to bridge the gap. So they're creating their own Web3 wallet, which you can use to store, manage, and also transfer digital assets. And you will have complete control of the wallet because you're going to have the private keys to it. Now, this wallet is going to bridge the gap between centralized digital asset services and also Web3 world. And the BMX token will be used as a utility token in this Web3 wallet. That means it will be used as gas in transactions. Now, moreover, they will also build their very own decentralized exchange. And again, the BMX token will be used as gas on that as well. Now, what they will be doing is they will be aggregating the liquidity and data on the centralized exchange they have and also the decentralized exchange, through which traders will be able to assess correlations and they will be able to formulate hedging strategies. And then we're going to have the BMX V3.0. This one is going to include multi-chain compatibility for BMX. They are going to develop their very own layer 2 blockchain, and the BMX token will be used as a native currency of this blockchain, just like Ethereum is used on the Ethereum blockchain and BNB used on the Binance Smart Chain. So take a look at what's happening here. We have Ethereum as a native currency of a blockchain. We have BNB as a native currency of their blockchain, but also they also have their centralized exchange. Now, Bitmart is already outperforming their native currency, is outperforming all the other native currencies of these exchanges, but now they're not only going to have their very own, they already have the centralized exchange, but they're going to have their Web3 wallet, they're going to have their decentralized exchange, they're going to have their very own layer 2 blockchain. And the currency that we have, BMX token, it will be used in all of these places. It will be used on the Web3 wallet, it'll be used as gas on the decentralized exchange, it'll be used also as a native currency on the their layer 2 blockchain. So it'll be used on the, let's say, D apps that'll be built on top of it. So like I said, it's already outperforming all these currencies. Imagine what will happen when it starts getting utilized in all these new places. I think that is going to be absolutely huge. And the reason why that is because all the other currencies, all the other tokens that we talked before of other centralized exchanges, they already have a market capitalization in billions of dollars. And that, I think, is the true value proposition is. So, like I said in the start, this is a mainstream project. This is a mainstream exchange, but it has this uncapped potential, and it is ready to explode, and it is showing potential for exponential growth from what we can see here. So I think this definitely is going to be one of the best choices for anyone's portfolio in this bull season. I'll let you guys have your own opinion, so make sure that you let me know what they are in the comment section, and I'll give you guys all the links in the description so you can check it out for yourself. But yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly, so stay tuned.